Damn, miss. You got one.
What up, yo? What up, everyone? Good morning, good morning. Ooh, that was lit. I need that every morning, bro. That was so lit, man. Yo, Jay, Robert, what up, yo? Dev, Sean, Sharif, Stubborn Chris, what up? Woo, that intro was lit, bro. Holy shit, that intro was lit, man. Did you buys? Yeah, very soon. I'm looking at Jiu buys as well. Then I'll wait for the hourly candle to close. I have to look for buys. But I think we're it's the level of resistance here. I think once we break this level, we should be good to go. Yeah, once we break this level, we should be good to go. Holy.
Nice clean traffic.
Yeah. Once we reach this level, I'm looking at potentially this level. Where is Sam and Jimmy? That's the real question. Oh man, it's gonna be a good session, guys. A lot of volume, looking like it. No
Yep.
news today.
Yep, no news, so it's just clean candles.
Yep.
Straight trading.
I'll say once we break this 4 high, we should be good. 135, 594, we should be good to go. Nice, like 1.4 pips. Yeah, I should get some nice moves today. This is a pretty nice resistance level up there. So I'll say if GG does come back in the range here, we could potentially come out to fill the range up here. So 135, 835. If we break this level of resistance right here. But we have to break this level. Yep. Because if you look left, guys, every time we come back in this range, we fill it cleanly. So if you do come back in this range, we're gonna potentially fill this range very cleanly. To tap the next resistance level at 135, 853. Or 835. So yeah, looking good. Looks like we made a support during London last night, and now we're respecting that low. So I think should be good. Yeah, that support is created. So if that support is created, and then we're coming back in this range, should be easy. Right up there. But I think I'm gonna wait for the next hourly candle to form in 15 minutes here. See what's up, or in 25 minutes here. But gold, man. Yesterday in the Asian session, we called buys to 1920, and then from there, I don't know what happened.
Yeah, me neither.
I
I
guess
ain't
I
know it was
guess
gonna go
gold
that
tapped
little
1920,
fast.
and now it's going to God knows where land. So
I think it's gonna reach 2,000 by the end of the week if you keep going like this.
yeah,
I thought it was gonna reach 2,000 like in a couple weeks or something, but it's moved super fast.
there's no more resistance. So we don't know where it's gonna go at all. Dude, yo, Robert talking?
No, I had
Oh no, never mind.
cause like in the Asian, it was like real rangy for
Hmm.
a bunch of weeks on the 1 hour. I was just seeing like even though we're coming back into the range, do those wicks really matter or not as far as us reaching our target?
Yeah, looking good today. Buys would be very nice. I'm still bullish on GJ. I'm not bearish, guys. Weekly is still bullish. As long as we respect 134 and 311 this week, I'm bullish on GJ. No matter what happens, so see what happens there. Looking good.
Yeah, nice support to go up.
Bro, I think I need to switch up the beats though before I get tired of that beat. So I think for tomorrow's live stream, we'll look for a new beat.
You gotta start producing now.
I gotta start producing, bro. Gotta make my own beats. Tired of these whack ass free beats, bro. So target. That's the target, guys. If you break this level for buys. Come back into the range and see. Still clean traffic. For me, I'll say. Hold on. What is... Okay. Perfect. Okay. We have news tomorrow. Tomorrow. Ooh. Nothing. Okay. Is there anything this week? Yeah, we have FOMC this week on Thursday. On Tuesday, actually. No, Wednesday, sorry. FOMC on Wednesday, so. Gonna be interesting Wednesday.
Heavy USD movements. I'm gonna trade YouTube.
Yo, what's good, Dom? What's good, y'all?
What up, bro?
What's up?
Yeah, work today?
Yeah. I got a 10.
We need that Warzone though, bro. Fuck.
Yo, word. Yesterday was annoying.
Bro, the way he died was just so annoying, bro. What am I looking at? NAS 100. Oh my god, what am I doing? Just naturally marking up NAS 100.
Might see what's up with like Euro JPY or something. Might start trading that. Well, back testing.
US 30 about to drop.
John Doe. Oh, bro. You missed the intro, bro.
It was lit.
You got me pumped up. I really wish I can play Trophies by Drake, though. Sadly, I can't. So 15 minutes left. I think it's 15 minute counts on close bullish. I'm bearish here. See, I'm not taking buys, guys, until we break out this ranger. Or, yeah, that's it. I think we need to break above 135, 488. I'll look for buys. Other than that, it's just gonna be this is a range we have right here. pretty much once you break this resistance, it's like saying we're breaking out of the range, and then from there we can go up to the next resistance up here. But I am bullish, guys. I'm bullish. Bearish for me would be probably below these levels here, because if you break that level, we're gonna come down to like potentially these levels. Like these levels down here. So until then, I'm pretty bullish. But once you break these levels, you can see that we're gonna pop down to 134, 431. So I'll say target if 135, 207 breaks. Okay, 30-minute breaking highs. 1 hour once it breaks this high, you can have a nice buy stop. I'll say. The stops would be. Ooh, that's a big stop loss, man.
It's a big stop. That's why I'm waiting for the power to close.
I think.
For maybe a little bit of support made after it breaks some other time frames.
Hey Jay, where's the boy Sam and Jimmy at, bro?
What we said on the stream yesterday.
Bro, I knew 100% they weren't gonna be
They're
up.
late.
It's
They
area
showed-
1. Jimmy traded the 11th session and something happened, or 2. I don't know, but well, I don't know where these guys are at, bro.
I traded
Nah,
London.
we sleep.
I mean, I went to sleep, but
I mean, that Sam was probably up all night. Okay.
I traded London for like an hour, and I'm like sleep.
Well, when does I break the highs here?
As far as flipping bullish,
Mm-hmm. Some pips stop us. 40.
I'm gonna look for buys here, guys. Buys here. Stop below there. EP up here. I think this might be the smallest stops you could potentially get on GJ. Because if you enter off the hourly time frame, you're gonna have to have a 30 pip stop loss. So you enter here on GJ. Your stops are 10 pips on a current 30-minute candle, low, and TP's up here for a nice 32 pips. You have a lot of advantages as well. Move your stops to entries as you reach this level here at 135, 568, 565, and potentially close at 10 pips here too. So yeah, I'm gonna buy here, guys. This is my first trade of the day. pretty much gonna buy here because you know, the 1 hour is breaking the highs. So instead of putting my stop loss below 1 hour low, I'm putting my stop loss to the 30-minute low because the 30 minutes will close in like 11 minutes here. So even if it does close, if GG breaks this low, it's gonna come down further down to this 1 hour low anyway. So stops are at here instead of the actual 1 hour low. More times the price breaks a certain time frame, 15-minute, 30-minute, it'll break the one. It'll come down to the 1 hour low. So yeah, kind of like a way to reduce your stops a little bit. Look left. I'm expecting a clean traffic move up to this target at 135.827 with a lot of advantages to the left. So do a lot of things there on this trade. Go buy GG. It's up to you guys. Whatever you guys want to do. I'm gonna buy here. This is my trade of the day. You guys could follow along if you guys want to, but this is my trade. I explained why. If you guys like the idea, then you know, follow along. But this stream is meant for educational purposes only. In case one day YouTube decides to say anything about me, deletes my content. I'm not making you guys enter. I'm just giving you guys some ideas. Well, these are just my trades. You guys can follow along if you guys want. If you guys look at the 15-minute chart, ask yourself, why? Okay, so my stop loss is here, right? My stop loss is at the 15-minute low. Ask yourself, if GG breaks that low, where do you think it's gonna go? Look left. You have this one huge bullish candle. So if GG breaks this low, it's most likely gonna come down to the support down here at 135.200. So that's why my stop loss is down there and not the 1 hour low. So instead of risking 27 pips, I'm only risking 9 pips. Why buy here? I just explained it twice. Oh man, bro. I just explained it like 3-4 times. And then get the question, why buy here?
I mean, I could go back.
I give a full explanation of why I bought here. I give a full explanation of why my stop loss is there. And I give a full explanation of why my TP is there. I give a full explanation of what happens if price breaks this low. And why my stop loss is there, not the 1 hour low. I give an explanation of everything. Everything. And I'll still get the question.
Like 2-3 minutes ago.
So, you buy here? Hey, I feel like I should do more Asian session streams.
Yeah, that was straight. And it was like only like 2 hours long too.
It's supposed to be longer, but I got like kind of, yeah.
I mean,
I caught my
yeah,
pips, so it's
it
whatever.
was rangy. It was rangy anyway. So,
No, it was a nice move after, nice buys.
yeah, I saw.
Cause we break forward neckline of head and shoulder. You know, I've never mentioned head and shoulders the whole stream. I don't know, I don't really see any head and shoulders on really. Oh,
Support resistance.
I'm not. It's just us breaking into this ranger. GG is bullish on a higher time frame. I said, as long as we respect this week, 134, 336, I'm bullish till 138 and beyond, right? This week. But on a smaller time frame, if you look at GJ, the day candles are bearish, but the weekly is bullish. So we tapped an area where we found some type of support on a weekly this week, earlier yesterday, and we rejected the area. Now if you look at that where we rejected the area at, it was at these levels down here. So obviously this is a very strong support that was formed earlier. So if this 1 hour candle holds at that support, we could potentially push up on this candle. If we're breaking the highs here on a 1 hour time frame, and that support is being held, we could potentially reach this target up if we're breaking back in this ranger at 135, 835. If you have gold buy, should you lose? I don't know, man. Last week on the stream, on Monday at 7:05 p.m. to be exact. Actually, no, July 20th. Yeah, Monday. 7:05 p.m. I mentioned gold buys on GJ at 18:11, and people thought I was crazy. You know why? Because apparently gold tapped some strong resistance level at 18:11 here. I called buys right here on this bullish candle closure, and people thought I was crazy because we had multiple rejections here, and they thought there was a double top, triple top, quadruple top, whatever the top they want to call it. And yeah, we broke out that range, and now we came up. I think the final target was called at 1920. So right now I have no idea where it's gonna go. No idea, bro. It's GG. Gold has no more resistance.
It's moving too fast.
I'm in this trace over here stop loss. You must have some bad luck, my friend. Cause you know, we've been pretty accurate in the streams here. Oh, you know what I didn't do?
What's up?
I didn't get the signal.
What GG buys? 1 hour supposed to be in 2 minutes.
Yep.
What you
How
did?
much-
Close bullish.
Put out the stream link.
How much fish is this? 31.
Yeah, if you want to put your stop loss at the 1 hour low, it's gonna be 31 pips.
No, there goes.
Yo,
There go that boy Jim, bro.
bruh.
Wrong
I
with
put
him?
in 2 gold buys. My goodness.
This
Yeah,
guy put
hey.
gold buys and went back to sleep.
Yeah, bruh. Goodbye, gold, bruh.
This guy put in a
Yeah,
buy at
hey.
4 o'clock and went back to sleep.
Yes, sir. Bruh. Hit TP, bruh.
Hey.
On the wake up. Up 180. Good night, bruh.
Good
Good night.
morning.
Yeah,
Good
the
morning, good night.
last opportunity I seen for gold buys was this 1 hour wick fill right here. At like 12 o'clock. This one had a nice one. This is a
Yes.
small stop could have had 4 or 5 pips. Small stops could have had for gold in a minute, and then from there wick fill up, and now we're gonna potentially push further up. We just don't know where
Break
to.
1950.
Yeah, we're
Yeah,
good. We're
bro.
gonna definitely break 1948, 1944. It's just now don't know where we're gonna tap.
My worst enemy became my best friend.
I'm in GG buys right now, yo.
How much you up by my brother?
I am at entry. Just got in.
Nice.
1 hour's on closer, guys. 30 minutes on closer, so looking
I'm
good.
back in the range.
Damn. Bro, dude. Where is gold going, bro?
I'm calling 2K by the end of the week. The way it's moving.
Bro. 2K?
I feel like you can't even call anything right now, yo. I feel like if you
It's
call
not going
something right here,
down.
it's just like you predicting, like whatever. Like I don't know. I just feel like
Oh, I'm going off like
it's like you. There's like no
Bro, do I
resistance.
just like open TP it, bro?
Oh,
It's like a yeah. It's like
DJ just shot up.
we don't know where the hell it's gonna go, bro.
Bro, I got in at 1933. Oh boy.
Yeah. I don't know, bro. It's like
I'll keep going up.
last week I called targets, but this week I can't even call targets. That's the thing. Like you can't really call any targets anymore on gold here. This is no more history. Looking left, no more history at all. This is an all-time high. You guys are witnessing history right here.
But hold on, I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna brush my teeth and go to my workroom.
Alright, bro, brush that stinky mouth. I think if GG breaks this 50-minute low here, you think you can reduce your stops to close. You can close here at 5 pips. If GG breaks this 50-minute low here, because what that'll mean is that we're probably gonna reject these levels there. And if you break that low, it just means that we're gonna come down further down to this low, and eventually this low. So yeah, that's how you could reduce your stops. Because if you're entering a buy, you're expecting it to obviously go up, right? And if it's breaking certain levels on a smaller time frame, what does that actually tell you? That just tells you that we're
Tune up to come down.
probably gonna continue coming down further. 1 hour did close bullish though. Technically, stop should be down here. Technically, right? But if we're breaking lows on a smaller time frame, you can just picture it coming down to this level. Let's see. We have a good stop loss. Very nice, tight stop loss. You know, we understand why it's there. Perfect stop loss. Cause yo, you guys gotta think about it. If you were in a buy here and price breaks this candle, what would you do? I mean, if you weren't in a buy, you'll sell it, right? Because look left, clean traffic. Same thing, you know. That's how you gotta treat every single trade you take. Look at it from the other perspective. Look at it like, what would you do if you break the certain area on a? If you weren't selling, or if you weren't buying and you wanted to sell and price breaks a certain area, would you sell there? If you sell there, then you shouldn't be in the buy anymore. Yeah, think about it from both perspectives. Because if you're just in a buy, just because you think it's gonna go up, and prices breaking certain levels and it doesn't make any sense, then you're just trading with emotions at that point. You're trading because you think it's gonna reach a certain area instead of seeing something actually reach a certain area. Hold on, guys. Give me like 2 seconds. Alright, I'm back. Alright, guys, if you guys enjoying the stream, leave a like on the stream. I know you guys, I like that button up, man. Support the boy. It's a free like for a free stream. For free pips. Or free knowledge. I don't want to work. I'm here, lads. What up, Ants? What up, bro?
It was good, Ants.
Dude, Raja. What up, bro? You imagine that's a real Raja? The whole time that's the real Raja just watching the stream. What up, my boys? Yeah, I'm expecting this 1 hour candle to come up like this. So I'm expecting this 1 hour candle to pop off. Or this 30-minute candle. Pop off like this. I bet you tap levels here. I'm probably gonna close like 50% at 10 pips and close like another shot like 25%. I like these levels. And then let the runner come up to this level. That's what I'm probably gonna do in this trade. That's how I'm gonna plan it. Because y'all look left, you know, you have resistance, resistance, resistance. So what are you gonna do? After first resistance, stops the entry. Second resistance, or 10 pips, like around here, that's 10 pips. Close half. Is there resistance? Close another percentage. Runner come up to this target. You know, you gotta be smart about your trades. You gotta take things to your advantage. Pushing up here though. Nice, GJ. Breaking the highs, you know. I think I'm gonna move my stops to entry on GJ here.
Nice.
Risk-free trade. So now it's completely risk-free. Based on the fact that you see this candle right here, it is currently bullish, right? Right here is currently bullish. So once it flips bearish, what do you think's gonna happen? So now it's making a high. So if this candle flips bearish, this high that was created is gonna be bearish after. So meaning this might be the lower high for price to drive back down. This candle drive back down. So and also tapping a nice resistance here, looking left. So this area where I move my stop entry.
Risk free.
Yep.
Don, I'm gonna send a chart on
Yeah.
US 30. I don't see what a reasonable TP is.
Oh, you're looking at your 30 cells, no?
Yeah, I'm in sales. I caught it at 26,538.
Nice.
It's
It's selling all week.
Yeah.
in profit.
I think this level. If we're like looking at scalper and
That's when
swing
it
it.
breaks. When it breaks
Depends though, cause like
26,500,
my
it's
daily
gonna
target is like all the way down there, but like at 26,131. But like that's just like my daily target, right? If you're just looking to sell, like I don't know, if you're just trying to dip, I'm guessing like this level is very strong support. I would say if you break this level though, you could potentially see like break this level, you can potentially see these levels down here. So like 2.6,
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
2.6, 440, yeah. That level's looking good.
You said we're at a strong support. Let me check the 4 hour time. So far, it's flipping back bearish. It's clean on the 4 hour.
Yeah, we just have to survive this entry, guys. And you should be good to go. Entry was at this candle opening. There. That shoe is wrong. Right here. 135, 495, 494. Why does it keep changing? Ah. There we go. Two, 30. Oh, looks like we're pushing up here. Yeah, so next thing we gotta look forward to, guys, is GJ breaking this 4-hour candle high. I think once it breaks this high, you're gonna see a total takeoff. So once you get to like these levels here, I'm not sure what price this is, but I think this is 135.592. Once you break that, you can fasten your seatbelts and get ready for liftoff, because we're gonna be approaching TP once you break that level there. GJ pushing though. I think 7 pips in profit. Yep. Yeah, so when it gets to like this level, 10 pips profit, probably moves. Oh, gonna close here at 10 pips, guys. That was quick. Closing
That was
here at
quick.
10
That was
pips.
very quick. Very, very quick.
Closing 50%. 50% here
Yes,
at 10
sir.
pips.
Yo.
You're gonna run into TP.
I'm
Yes,
dead.
sir.
Gold is giving out free money, bruh.
I'm telling you, it's gonna keep going up.
Bruh, like, bruh really told me
Just
this
look
is
for
the
gold.
highest gold it's gonna get.
Hell no.
I said this. All right, you could sell,
It's
right?
gonna just
And
keep
I could
pulling
buy,
back.
right? I'm
It's gonna
like,
keep
yo, I
pulling
told
back and
him
going up.
to screenshot his screen this morning and my screen this morning. All I gotta say is his color must be his favorite color must be red.
He's down 100 pips right now. I was like, shit.
Yep, on a whole .50.
Hit like
Ouch.
Hey man, I told him. It's like,
1911
I
when
told
the
him,
market open.
tops and bottoms don't even
Tops and bottoms do not work. I don't care what anyone says.
not
It
work.
does not work.
Especially
It
on
could work.
gold.
It could work for you 1-2 times, but I
No.
guarantee you, do it 10 times.
No.
You're gonna hit stop loss 8 out of 10 times. And I don't care if you have a small stop loss. The trade does not make sense.
Like I told him, I don't care how good you think you are and how up your account is, you're gonna get fucked if you go against gold.
Bro,
I
like,
told him. And like he lost basically more than half his account last night. I told him, bro. I told him, I'm like, bro, just buy
what
gold.
the issue is? Because people see one candle. This is what Ted posted.
He's
right?
seen this candle.
They see one red candle, and I think that's gonna be a trend. They see, look. This, I know a lot of traders got stuck here. 100%. This candle right here.
Yeah.
They see
that's
they
the candle where
see
he
a
sold at.
nice rejection wick, and they see a nice bearish candle, and they enter a sell here. For me personally, I would enter this. Like I said earlier, this would be the best buy opportunity you could have had right here. A nice wick
I
fill.
can annotate, right? Real quick. Look, he
I
sold
would
right
have
here.
expected this.
Look, he sold right here. I'm gonna draw the arrow. He sold right
Yeah,
there.
because they see a nice like
Yeah.
exhaustion wicks, you know, like.
Yeah. I'm clear my screen.
It's just so many things that
Told him, bro.
Yeah, it's a industry, so you gotta understand.
gold doesn't keep going up, and the reason why people want to sell gold so bad is because they want to sell it because they missed the gold buys. They had literally 1811 was like the last like strong resistance level, right? And that was like the last
Even when the
level
market
where you
opened
could have like
yesterday,
had nice buys in, like real nice buys in. And I feel like I don't know, man. People just.
they'll learn.
But hey guys, GJ is popping off. I closed at 10 pips here, so if you guys caught nice
me
10
too.
pips there,
I closed.
leave a like on that stream.
Bruh, like, there's no stopping what going on right now, bruh. Like, when does it stop? Is the real question.
One thing is though,
So,
if you guys are in buys, just like, what's your TP though? Like,
bruh,
you know,
mine's up
like,
to
cause like I feel like really putting your TP like above like anywhere, like I don't know. It's just I feel like it's just making it random resistance levels. Cause I don't really know, like no one knows where it's gonna go here.
I put
We know it's gonna go up,
It's
but
gonna-
like
it's
putting it
gonna
at a
be
random area is
1945.
just like, oh, I think it's gonna go 1960. I think it's this. I feel like you're just like
nah.
at this point, it's just like you're thinking like it's gonna tap this resistance. There's nothing here looking left.
1950.
I'll
That's
put it
that's
at
just what I think.
Then it's gonna
47.
2K. After 2K, I don't know.
Cause I feel like literally, so
Look for
before
pullbacks.
here you had no data, right?
Yeah.
Well, obviously you had data, right? But like you have like no like type of TP data. But like if you go on, look with this candle, this nice wick flow candle. Now you have this data. You can say, okay, we're probably gonna pop up to this target. This nice wick flow, and you can expect a nice candle coming up like this, right? On gold. And that's what I did. Price came up to tap this level because this is a resistance level. On a small time frame, this wick flow is a resistance level. This is a nice range you have too.
Mhm. That's all it is. Just look
yeah.
for pullbacks.
This is just a range. So on a small time frame, it looks on a bigger time frame it's one big candle, but on a small time frame it's just a nice little candle. See, resistance is made, and then now we're gonna break into that resistance,
My God.
and from there we fill this we fill this range here. And I feel like this is the last like TP level, like nice like logical one, and then after this is just like we don't know where it's gonna go now. Because price can reject wherever it wants to. Price can reject wherever it wants to reject.
Look
At this point,
in ranges, like you said.
yeah. So price can reject wherever it wants to reject. At this point,
Mhm.
we just don't know where.
Bruh. I don't want to hear nobody say shit to me, man.
Yeah, I closed at 10 pips on GJ.
Telling you. I'm like, I don't care how up you think you are, I'm not going against gold. Ever.
And you said he
Bro.
lost half of his account.
Bro,
Half
people tried selling at
Arguing.
like I'll tell you levels where people tried selling. A lot of people, a lot of levels, a lot of people.
If you see gold moving this much, like
Yeah.
in a matter
I
of days,
told him, I'm like, if you see this much momentum,
you gotta know it's
Why?
more than just
Yeah,
more than just.
I'll show
currency
you.
there.
I'll show you levels here. Look at gold. Look at my screen. Look, this level, people sold at 100%. You know why? They seen this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Just the range. Just the range.
You know, they seen this whatever top this is, the demon top, whatever this is, right? Go to here. Happened after price rejected a little
Yo,
bit,
smite
and then
me.
what happened after? This kind of closed bullish above all these ranges. Bullish, 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 bullish. Next push, 18, 10. Strong resistance. People sold here as well, cause this is a nice resistance level. This kind of closed bullish above these ranges. Why are you selling to sell? You know, bullish, 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 bullish. They don't see any bearish candles right now, and they're predicting the next bearish candle. They're putting that so much work in just to predict the next
Not looking at
bearish
both
candle.
sides of the open buyer. They're just looking at sales.
Yeah, so
Yeah,
they're putting
look-
so much work in to put like so much work in to predict the next candle when they can just easily just sit down and wait for the next candle to close. And that's how a lot of traders lose, by just predicting the next candle without patiently waiting for that confirmation. Oh man, that's
Where'd you
so
say your entry
unfortunate.
was, Jimmy?
Man.
my entry was 1935.
Jimmy is like
1935.
60 pips in profit,
Nice.
100
I
pips
am
earlier.
100 and
Why did you TP at 1944?
Or 1950. Oh yeah, 1944.
I
Yeah.
I
mean,
said my TP was 1947.
uh,
I see one last little push. That's my target.
New York about to open in 40 minutes.
Yeah. Left. Lower. No. Comment. I'm 100 and
You have into
well 1600. So that's 160 pips in profit. Wow. I
oh
don't
shit, you
hold.
lost $500. USD
No,
nice buys.
me?
No, not you.
Oh. Nah.
Damn, bruh. Well, if you're on the streams, you would have made nothing but money today.
Mhm.
So I hope
It
you
was
made
quick
part of
too.
that back. If
It was
anything,
quick
on the
too.
streams here with nice, patiently, full
Hashtag,
breakdown trades.
hashtag 200 for lunch, bro.
You know, a lot of people would have sold here too, where I bought. You know, it makes sense. You know, it would make sense. It's at a resistance level.
Nah, that
But
London
if
was so whole, bro.
But if we're, closing bullish here, what do you guys think? We would have sold here. Strong resistance. And breaking it. I'm pushing up to the next resistance. 4-hour thing broke the high, did it yet? I don't think it broke the highs yet. No, it did break the highs. Yeah, it should be clean traffic now. Yep. Yepity. Oh, nice chart.
Yep, yep. Looking at
Hey, yo, Jimmy, where's your boy Sam?
leaving.
I remember yesterday on the live streams, they said they were going to be up for every single stream.
Who? I'm up.
Yep.
Up as fuck.
You're probably tired.
Damn.
I'm tired, but
Remember,
I'm up.
remember yesterday's stream? During the Asian stream, I'm like, you guys aren't going to be up tomorrow. 100% not.
Nah, bro.
He's like, yeah, I am.
I'm up.
I'm like, huh. I'm
You
up.
train like,
Yeah.
bro.
How's the song go? I'm up.
I'm up. The fuck? They go like, yo, what's up with Euro though? That been like rocking it. Like, what's up with it?
I haven't looked at Euro USD.
I haven't checked that pair in a minute,
No,
bro.
I'm just talking about Euro, like Euro pairs in general.
I'll
All
check
of them
it.
just been launching.
I'm gonna check it. I'm gonna check it real quick.
Let me see.
GPUSD.
It should be going up.
Break.
Yeah.
Bro, yo, Raja 2223. Here's a little tip, bro. If you're just trading this right here, you don't need this. This is irrelevant. You can just zoom this out, zoom this in, and just focus on this, and you have a lot more detail on these candles.
Like the past
But
day.
if we're just looking at this, I mean, all this, it's just like, what do you need this for? If you're catching a little buy from here to here, you don't need any of this info. I guess this will show you that breakouts happen. Boom, breakout, consolidation, breakout, consolidation, breakout, consolidation, breakout, consolidation, breakout, consolidation, breakout. But and you don't really need any of that data if you catch a nice buy from here to the next daily resistance. So there's a little tip. Just zoom in a little bit. But I think it makes sense. From what I see here, it looks like it makes sense. I think I see a bullish candle closure, breaking the highs. I think it makes sense to come up to that target. Yeah, TP, I don't know. You put a daily resistance here, but look left, there's no daily resistance. So I feel like it's irrelevant either way. You can just tell me that this is a daily resistance based off of this line here. I can just zoom in. But yeah. But my eyes hurt looking at this. I gotta squint. Euro USD, let me check this out.
It should be going up.
Yeah.
Um,
Going on gold.
I got news.
Every time US 30 gold goes up, Euro USD is gonna go up as well. Dollar.
Yeah, we got USD news.
Yeah, it's pretty strong resistance there. See. We're gonna range a little bit from there. Not my pair.
bro. My FX journey, Shotty is so lit, bro. She is on a whole different level.
Facts, facts. I done came a long way in a year. Year and a half.
I'm gonna get on her level one day. Just playing. I'm not trying to be nobody. So. Damn. Bro, that was a clean buy, bro.
Yeah, it's pretty clean.
No, it's
Look,
just like right here is where I want to have like trouble entering. Like once it did that, like it faked up.
Mhm.
Like it didn't fake it. It just hit the resistance like hella times. And then I would get stuck in that zone, bro. No cap.
Yeah, so
yeah,
I'll
he
break it
break
down.
even.
Yeah, so I looked at the trade like, so if, so for example, guys, so okay, let me write this down
Cause I
first.
seen
'Cause
this right
I'm
here.
definitely gonna record this
I
after.
seen this right here. Two
Yeah.
candles with no top wick. So I was like, I'm gonna just go back to sleep, bro.
Oh, earlier.
Yeah. I was like, I seen those two. I'm like, bro, I'm just gonna go back to sleep because if I make an impulsive buy, I'm gonna be in hella drawdown. Cause I already got hit with like a fake out earlier, a real bad one. Then I was like, all right, I'm go to sleep. Woke up, putting those two gold trades, went back to sleep. I was thinking about doing that GJ buy before I went back to sleep. I'm like, nah, bro.
Yeah. What time is this? This is at 4. Yeah, so these buys, guys, hold on, let me go real quick. So these buys, guys, these buys right here, if you look at the weekly, guys, we're obviously bullish, right? I could say that as long as we respect 134, 338, we're gonna eventually tap 138, 800, and eventually so on, right? So the weekly right now has no top wick at all. And so what we need is we need some type of, so meaning that like when this candle opened up, it came straight down. This is the weekly candle, it came straight down. Meaning that this we could be creating a lower wick for price to come up. So if the daily time frame, see how closing bearish here? If this level right here is rejecting, the strong resistance that we broke is rejecting, and we're rejecting off of this area, and the daily has no top wick as well, and we're respecting this candle low right here. Once this could be the nice, I guess, support level where price reject off of to continue going up here. So if you look at the 1 hour time frame, where's that rejection level at? I drew the yellow line here earlier. This is the daily support. So if we're closing bullish off of the daily support here, meaning that we found some type of support and the support is being created and respected here, the support right here is being respected, and we're actually closing bullish. This is where I entered my buys at as we broke this 1 hour high. So if we're breaking this 1 hour high, it shows us that we could potentially tap these levels and then eventually tap these levels up here on GJ. So that's kind of what I was looking at entering these buys here. I was looking at the weekly time frame all the way down to the 15-minute time frame on this trade. But yeah, it was a pretty clean trade. There was like a minimal drawdown. There was like a nice like 4 pip drawdown max. Actually, hold on. It was a 3 pip drawdown max, and then you secured 10 pips here. And yeah, pretty clean. I think I was supposed to close another half here, 85% here. This resistance level, but I never tapped it. But yeah, guys, pretty clean buys. Alright, I'll mute you guys.
Dang. DJ is just playing with feelings, man. No cap.
But hey, yo, Jimmy, you missed the intro this morning, bro.
Bruh.
It was late. I was
Like,
turning
yo,
up.
my bad, bro. Look, cause I was up since like 5. Goddamn. I'm like, yo, I need a quick nap, bro.
That's what I did. I was up at like right before the London Open, and I went
Yo,
to sleep at like 3.
cause yo, I don't know why I just woke up. I'm like,
I
bruh,
did
it's
too.
2 o'clock.
I was like, ooh, definitely drop a little bit.
It was at 2 o'clock.
I
I'm
caught my
like,
pips and I went right back to sleep.
I mean,
I'm like, yo,
London had nice sells from here at like around
I caught like
Right
a,
under
5.
48.
Oh, it should be pre New York actually had nice sells. Pre
Um,
I
nice
caught like a
like
little so
15 pips.
in London.
but it was a fake out. Not a fake out, but it just makes it work.
Bro, that man Monty was joning people. I was dying watching his stream, bro.
What happened? What you
He's,
do?
he was like drop a one if you enter this buy off a 15-minute candle and like help people drop one. He said it kind of retarded. I
What
was
happened
like,
after
oh,
hit stops after or what?
nah. He was like, this is why. And then like everyone that put in sales like at the bottom, like the next candle just flew. Then he's like, this is why you be patient.
Wait, so he said drop a one if you took sells?
Yeah, he
Oh.
said drop on one if you took a sell on this 15-minute candle, right?
Oh, that closed bullish. Yeah.
No, no, it was bearish, right? And then the most hardest retrace ever. Then he
Teaching
said,
them lessons. Ouch.
"Hell yeah, bro."
This why you be patient.
Yeah, he's like, "This is why you be patient." And I'm like,
Ooh, third
I'm
minute
like,
closed bearish here. I mean bullish here.
oh,
Yeah, guys. So this candle right here, obviously when it opened up, it had no top wick, meaning that this could just be a lower low for price to drive up. So I think once the candle flips bullish, it should be good to go. But I'll say that if this is the third minute closure, this is of the hourly candle. This is the hourly candle low, right? So as long as price respects this low, we should be able to push up. Oh, hold on, guys. I'm gonna get my coffee. Bro, I made a coffee at 6:30, bro,
that's
and
a lot,
I was too lazy to go. I was too lazy to go down to do the other part of it. So now I'm gonna finish that part real quick. Hold on.
Meow. Flying around corners. I'm finna hop on UJ when New York open. That be finna tell. Excuse my language. One.
I thought gold was gonna do like, you remember how that Bissell strike was in January? I thought it was gonna be like one of those type of movements, but hell no, this shit not stopping. This thing is not stopping. Yeah. USD. Get ready. We finna buy bread loaves for $10. Yo.
Alright, I'm back.
Yeah.
Whew.
Unmute everybody else, my friend.
What's up?
Why you not unmute everybody else?
Yeah, everyone is unmuted.
Nah. Tell me.
Nah, because everyone wants to be on mute.
Okay.
Oh, allow persons to unmute themselves. There we
Nah,
go.
we on mute.
There we go. That told me. I put
Push
that
the
on.
feeling on, bro.
What is this with Zoom? Ask all to unmute. If I'm the Zoom host, why I gotta ask people to unmute? Why can't I just unmute? Why can't I just mute them? I mean, unmute them. Oh, that's weird. I was late in the train at the top of last week. Damn, you entered with a FOMO entry right here, bro.
That's why you gotta be patient. You had no FOMO.
I think even if you did have FOMO, I think your last entry could have been like right here on this
That's a
candle.
boom. That's a boom. You could, if anything, waited it and then put a buy stop. Anything.
I think this candle right here. And
Because New York open. Of course, it's gonna pull back a little bit.
New York didn't open yet.
It's about to. It's about to.
Oh, oh yeah.
Usually like it'll come back maybe a little bit before it opens. That's what I've been seeing. It's my experience. From 15 to 30 minutes.
This coffee is good.
Dude, I pushed after the stream, bruh.
Oh, yes, this stream?
I was
Bruh, I was salty, bruh.
I
I'm
was
like,
salty
damn.
too. I'm like, wow. When touch 80.
Come on, cuz. You can do this on stream? You can't do this on stream.
I had 2 break-even trades, and then I had 1 trade where I got like 4 or 5 pips on it.
Yeah, I think I had one break even, one trade that worked out for me yesterday.
I had two good.
Still profitable.
Still 10 pips.
I had 2 decent buys, and then that one fat L. Sorry. Dun, 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 dun,
Dun, dun, dun, dun, dun, dun. Yeah, hit entry here in this trade, guys. Secured 10 pips though, so there's my trade. Should I hold it or get out now? Well, if you got in at there, you gotta figure out what your stop loss was. That's the issue. You shouldn't be asking that question. You gotta figure out what your stop loss is. Me personally, my stop. If I went up there at that top wick, my stop loss would have been right here. But this is me. The first thing you guys gotta do when you guys enter a trade is figure out what your stop loss is.
Know what you're risking.
Your first question shouldn't be, how much am I gonna make up this trade? That's irrelevant. You can make X amount. But you gotta figure out what your stop loss is if the trade, like on a trade, just not even looking at your how much you're gonna lose. Just figure out what the stop loss is first, and after that figure out how much you're gonna lose. If you're not comfortable with it, then don't take it. But the trade has to make sense. It has to make sense. So now, if Juju is breaking this low, what do you think is gonna happen? This is a nice this is a nice fake out here. You know, we made a resistance here, support. So if we're breaking this low, we're obviously gonna come back down the range and fill a range here like this at 135, 261. Because now we're breaking this low, and we're coming back in the range. 85% chance of filling it, and 75% chance of continuing. So we could actually follow the daily trend today. Let's see. I'm not gonna look for sells. I'm only looking for buys today probably. So.
If it breaks under a certain price, such as
I'm even gonna hold you. CJ been moving choppy, bro.
if it goes under like 135, like one,
Alright.
you could look for sales.
Has been that bad.
It ain't been that bad. It's just you gotta be patient. It's weird on these wiki.
Man,
Yo, ain't Future and Uzi dropping the project
Friday.
next week? Yeah.
this Friday.
Yes,
What a
sir.
way to end off July, man.
Hope it's good.
Yeah.
Baby
Watch
Pete.
this. It's gonna be a whole EP out here. I thought it was just a song.
Two songs.
Yeah, it's gonna be an album.
Two-song
It's a
EP.
project. It's a 12 song project.
EP, gotcha.
Nice, nice.
No, actual album.
Oh.
Yes, album. Yeah.
So you like that Gucci Man thing?
No, it's gonna be like yeah.
Yeah, DJ can have a nice wick fill on his 4 hour, maybe. For sales. Not a bad idea. Not a bad idea. Yeah, going back to his range.
You know what makes songs too, Don? You know the vibes.
Bro, finally, my shirt that I ordered hella months ago is finally coming, bro. Fuck this goddamn virus, bro. Messing up my drip. Damn. I ordered this motherfucking goddamn.
They're trying to contain the drip.
Hey,
Bruh, I ordered this merch in goddamn January. Stupid. Just now coming, bruh.
January.
Man,
holding a drip.
I'm suing.
I would. Yeah, you definitely got to get your money back.
No. I'm finna be like, that shit ain't come yet. My money back. Pussy.
I would have. I ain't gonna lie.
Nah, as soon as that shit touched my goddamn doorstep. Oh shit, I'll confess to a crime. Hold on, bro. I'm snitching myself. Y'all ain't hear shit.
All these arrows.
Yeah, I hear nothing.
Y'all ain't hear Nathan.
Hey, Gold says it's gonna come down to 134, 1935 here. Looking at gold, guys.
It's gonna keep pulling back and then going up. Gonna pull back and go up.
Obviously, guys, long term it is bullish, but
Right now,
it looks like it's gonna. So look at it this way. This is pretty much if we made a resistance here, and we broke out that range and we're closing bearish here. What do you guys think's gonna happen on this bearish candle? Bearish candle closure.
Yeah.
This bearish candle close. Nice wick fill. We filled it, and now we're expecting to come down to probably this support level. If this support level breaks, we're potentially gonna come down to the support level down here. So that's how I'm looking at gold. I'm not saying gold to sell, so don't say sell gold, this that. I'm not saying. I'm saying that we have a high chance of coming down here.
Small time frame.
Yeah, so we have a high chance of coming down here, but like what I'm saying is I wouldn't be looking for buys just yet. But like I did say, the last TP level for gold, for me personally, looking at it, was the nice like safe TP was this level right here. Because beyond this is just like, we don't know where it's gonna go.
At this point, just wait for a breakout and just aim for 10 pips or 100 points. Okay. Or just when you see a breakout, move stops to entry, close profits. Same thing. But yeah, study for sure for now. Gonna start dropping in the next couple weeks. It's in range right now.
Yeah.
15 minutes.
15 minutes out of 12.
And wide open. Let's get baby.
Yes, sir. Hey, Jimmy, you took profits, right? Or still got a runner?
Yeah, right.
Yeah, you're like up like a good amount, a good chunk of pips.
Yeah,
Yeah,
you
that,
should
yeah, you got a good entry.
Went
That runner.
17. 121. Let's go, baby. Dun, 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 dun. Might actually close soon though.
Oh, went and got a coffee and GJ crushing souls. GJ ain't crushing no souls. You know what GJ is crushing? It's crushing the souls of the people that can't manage their trades. But hey, my soul,
My KO.
my soul is
My KO, my ears. Right, if y'all know that video, bruh. Man. Bro, I woke up, I forgot we had house guests, right? I woke up lit. I'm like, let's fucking go. And then like, I hear the house guests downstairs like, ah yeah. They're saying like, who's that? I'm like, bitch, you was in my house talking about who is that? You're in my kingdom. Oh shit, hold on, be right back. Oh shit.
what? This guy's on some ADHD shit. What's this guy on? Jimmy, you good, bro? What's going on over there, bro? Everything's fine?
You alright?
I'm back.
You good, bro? Like,
Yeah,
I
bro,
forgot,
what's
I forgot
up?
something in my room. I had a
This guy was talking on my. Oh shit! Oh shit!
yo, I've got the strap. I forgot to hide it.
Yo, AUD, you got him biased.
Noise.
Yeah.
That's a wide stop.
I mean, what's your T? I can't even see his TP. His thing's cut off.
Through the sky. Through the sky.
Check.
It's gonna
Euro
die.
AUD.
One against the 10, you gonna
I mean,
cry.
you gotta explain to me why you got him buy here. You're on a chart, man. You can't just send me a chart like this. I mean, I appreciate that it's a current time, but I gotta, you know, label it a little bit. Your EUD, let me check. Yep, it's gonna go up, man. Look left. Bam.
He put his TP at the Wickfield to the left side.
What time frame?
I think that was the hourly.
No, it can't be because that's hourly. His TP is like way past it.
Oh, yellow.
Yeah. TP is like way above it. Yeah, I think his TP is around here. Yeah, that's good. Good. Wait, what time frame? 1 hour. Oh, 1 hour. Yeah. I feel like the nicest entry here was probably this 30-minute candle here. Down here. I feel like this is a nice entry. Because if we form support here at these levels, and if you form support, what that count tells you is you could probably pop off. Loss would be right there. TP would have been right here. This would have been a trade. But yeah, other than that, it makes sense either way. Just careful. This 15-minute has no top wick right now on your UD.
Oh, brother. We could then close out July. Great, man.
Man, I'm actually so excited for Friday, bro.
What's up? What's happening, friend?
Friday.
Uzi of them.
Oh yeah.
I'm so excited. I don't know why, bro. I'm excited for that. Bro. I need some Uzi and feature. It's about to go insane. Can I play it on
This man
YouTube,
just on
on
Uzi.
Instagram?
This man finna skip features part. He's finna go to the Uzi part. Looking at it.
On every song.
Yeah. It's Lil Uzi featuring nobody. They gonna lie. It's Uzi album now. They gonna lie.
Straight fire. What?
Chill, bro.
Yeah, I'm excited too.
You can't, bro. We can't. I got a plan. We gotta go to this nigga and get that fucking big ass yacht. That one we had to send.
Yeah, it's like a movie, bro. It reminds me. I don't know why. It reminds me of Toy Story. I don't know why. The colors is something. The sound, or I don't know what, but it reminds me of Toy Story.
This is a
It's probably
movie.
the sound.
It's a movie from back then, bro.
It is.
That, yeah, like I think it's like Paid in Full type shit.
Was it?
Like, have you ever watched that movie, Paid in Full?
Oh yeah.
Like, it's like they had the same conversation like the laundromat and shit.
Oh, this movie looks sick, bro. Watch this.
Yeah, bro.
I think I did watch this.
Like,
Yeah, I did. Yeah, I think I did watch it.
It's one of my favorite movies, man.
Yeah, it looks familiar in that scene.
Mm.
It was in front of a car wash, right?
Nah, he worked at laundromat. Then
It's like a dry cleaner.
yeah, dry clean, yeah, dry cleaner, and then he became a D boy.
Good lord.
And then
Oh, there's no laundry scene. It looks familiar though. Bro, you guys watch Boys in the Hood?
yeah,
I need another movie like that. Yo, you guys got more movies like that?
yeah, bro. I like movies like that.
You know any more? I put me on some.
Paid in Full. That
Goose.
what was this
Narcos?
one? Nah,
No, that's different. That's different.
Narcos is a whole different thing.
That's Chapo.
Hold on.
GJ is coming down here, guys, to 1934 here.
Get Rich or Die Trying. I know you watch that shit.
DJ or Gold?
Gold. Yeah, gold's coming down to that target.
Baby Boy.
Oh yeah.
Um,
Baby boy.
Get Rich or Die Trying. That show's good. No, I'll hold you. City of God. That show's good. I finally watched it after all these years. Shit
I
good.
don't think I've ever seen that before.
City of God.
Let me look it up.
Bro, what's that movie where, bro, it was like, oh, I know you watched Juice before, bro. I know that.
No, I haven't yet.
Yeah,
Juice is a
watch that.
good movie.
Have you ever seen Waist Deep?
Nah, I haven't watched those.
It was alright. It was alright.
Hot Boys. I don't know that shit. No free promo. Like,
ATL.
ATL, oh yeah, that shit funny as hell.
No free
Bruh,
promo. You
see-
seen that on the YouTube chat?
Like, what?
No free
This
promo.
This man, T.I. yanked Lauren London's chain. Like how people try to sell gold on Friday at the news and got faked out as soon as it retraced that hard. Yeah.
Yeah, we named all the good ones.
Can you check the chart? Yeah, bro. Send a chart. I might have not seen it because you probably sent the full link. If you send the full link, I can't see full link. So yeah, send me like how Raja sent it up there. If you look at it, because I can't see any links here. YouTube blocks it. Looking at GG though, guys. I feel like this is a very strong support level that we created. We broke out of it. We're at support right now. So if this support holds, we can potentially come up here. So if this 15-minute closes bullish here, you can have a nice potential buys coming up on the next hourly candle potentially. The 1 hour still gonna close bearish. So I'm probably gonna look for buy stops above like probably 135, 592. Come up to that target up here. Should be nice.
Bro, like, man, when these other chats that random people inviting me to, I was just reading through because I was bored.
Mhm.
All I see was, I can't wait to catch this gold snipe. It's gonna be so crazy. I'm like, gold's not selling anytime soon. So you're waiting for an opportunity that's gonna be
I'm
extremely
waiting. I'm
hard,
waiting.
and boom, you sell. You get stopped out 2 seconds in because news just came out. I'm glad, like, no more. NFP's gonna be good. It's gonna drive gold down for sure. I'm glad. Hell no. Bruh, this NFP, I know for sure US, you're gonna do like terrible, bro.
Yeah, it'll make sense. Yeah.
Because one, everything's closing down again.
Mm-hmm.
Two, the China trade deal thing.
And three.
And three,
You see the link? No, bro. You can't send links, bro.
calling the bot. I'm
You
calling
will have
top
to.
right now.
You will have to
You
send.
calling what, Jimmy?
I'm calling top, looking at it.
Oh, there you go. I see it now.
I'm playing. But no, bro, I see it selling. In my eyes. Because you got it.
You see what selling?
U30 selling.
Oh.
NFP. I have a high feeling.
Very
But
high
we'll
chance.
see. We'll see. I ain't gonna call no tops and bottoms though.
You're not contest balls. Usually they're straight bearish right now, weekly and daily. I
Market
think.
structure.
But like,
It's
yo,
like,
guys, if
you know,
if
when
US
they
30
said-
comes back in the Ranger, if it breaks like today, if it breaks 126,730, we're gonna come up because now this would be a fake out. If you guys look at it like this, you have this resistance. I mean, support was formed. Now you have this resistance. So if this level gets respected, I mean, this level gets respected, and we break this high, we're possibly gonna come up like this to fill that range, and eventually break further up. It'll just be a fake out. 85% chance of filling it, 75% chance,
the
75% chance of
only
continuing.
factors
That's if we
that,
break the
like,
highs though. But until then, we're technically gonna come down in this candle.
only factors that can like make US 30 keep like pushing is if like how good the stimulus package is. The new one.
That's the only thing I'm not certain about.
Yeah. So that's why like I
I'm
see it
kinda
selling
waiting.
off based off of like technicals and market structure, but you know, it might be like the past 2-3 months where it just shoots.
Or shoot up, yeah.
Wrong chart, my friend.
Here we go, I got it now. Perfect. Yeah, you gotta put those dashes in, bro. I think that's the issue. Overall, the trend is bearish. I entered when this candle broke the lows. Okay. Clean traffic. So why is the trade don't work for me? I mean, you're still in it, right? You're still in it? I mean, I'm guessing you're still in it. It hasn't hit your stop yet, I'm guessing. Why should it don't work for me? Maybe because, let's see, USD count a bigger time frame. Let's see. I mean, bearish. It's coming down here. You're like, it should be. I mean, 1 hour close below. 30-minute close below. Oh, wait, now I hit your stops. Yeah. Okay. I don't know. You don't understand that every trade you take, of course, it has a high probability of playing out. just don't understand that there's always that small percentage that it might not play out. Like no matter how many times you took this trade, if you took it 1,000 times and it played out like probably 1,000 times, like 900 times, there's still that 100 times that's not gonna play out. Like just because I say a trade is like 85% chance probability of playing out based on the fact that I took it many times before in the past, it doesn't mean that's 100% always gonna play out, right? So there's always that low chance that might not play out sometimes. Always, you're never gonna be 100% in the markets. So don't feel like don't feel bad or anything that you messed up on a trade. I mean, the best thing you could have done here would just reduce your losses, I guess, instead of having your stop loss up here at 30-minute highs. As we close, if you just broke this high, if you got on like right here, down there, I'm guessing down here, and you could have just reduced your stop loss to 5 pips instead of leaving for 7 pips. I think that's the best thing you could have done in this situation. Or other than that, I mean, it does make sense. They did break the lows. I guess we're at a strong support here though, on the daily time frame. I guess this is a double bottom where people will buy at. Guarantee you a lot of people will buy here. Guarantee you. But weekly looking like it's gonna fill its wick and come down further. It's looking bearish. The trade made sense, complete sense, but I feel like it should have just. I mean, there's something we could have done here. If you enter off the 30-minute time frame, maybe you could have waited for an actual break of the support here, an actual closure below that range here, and that'll be nice sells. Because this is a range, and yeah, once you close like below here, like something like this probably, you could have took sells below here. Close like this, and then eventually take sells down there. That'll make more sense. Or if it closes like this, bit stronger but bearish, nice sells below there, coming down to the support. But you understand, this is a strong support level on a daily and a weekly, not just the hourly time frame. Yep. I'm long on USD CAD. Yeah, I can tell why, bro. Strong support. I don't know. Overall, higher time frames looking like it's gonna continue further down, coming down to like probably these levels, 32998. Very easy target for USD CAD on a weekly, but we gotta respect 34334. But hey, daily broke the lows, forward broke the lows. It made sense. The trade made sense. But hey, I'm not really looking at this pair right now. But hey, speaking about GJ, remember I said earlier if you close bullish on the 15-minute, I think I missed my entry here. Ooh, 30-minute close bullish. I think I'm gonna take buys here, breaking the highs here. Stops will be 3 pips. The 1 hour count closed bullish. I think if you enter down here, your stops would have been 16 pips. I mean, yeah.
Ain't got enough support.
I mean, yeah, we made that support. Or like I said earlier, the 15 closed bullish at the support. So, I mean, it makes sense. I'm trying to figure out what the stop loss is gonna be though. If this candle breaks this high again, you can put your stops to the current candle. It's like a 3 pip stop, 4 pip stop loss. Once it like breaks this high again.
You think like the next 15?
Yeah. I can wait for the next 15. Yeah, that makes sense too. I think the 1 hour closed bearish on gold too. Here you go, Robert. You're trading UJ.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna mess around with it just because I feel like the U.S. dollar's gonna be going
Hey,
down.
whenever you send charts, you can send them in the YouTube chats for the YouTubers to see as well.
Oh, okay. Okay, bet.
So they'll learn off of it as well. Yeah, it's a clean chart. Very, very clean chart. Let's take a fake out. It comes back in the range.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's a clean chart.
I think it's some U.S. 30 news. I mean, not U.S. 30 news. US news.
There's today, no. There's no news today. Is there? No, there's not. There's USD news at 8:30. Medium news,
Yeah.
mid news, ant news. Nothing crazy though. Nothing red.
Yeah. Not until Wednesday.
Yeah. Yeah. But we broke out this range on USD CAD. Said earlier, and we're probably gonna approach like these levels here. So yeah, sells will be below these levels, guys. For USD CAD. Buys are obviously above this level, obviously above the breakout. Or probably gonna tap these targets here. See, gold selling, USD CAD is buying. Oh, but long term, same thing with USD CAD, gold. Long term USD CAD is probably gonna come down. Talking about the weekly, and gold's gonna continue to go up. Right, obviously, right now the gold's coming down a little bit, breaking these support levels. Makes sense to go down. But this is a nice fake out move. Remember I said earlier? Breakout, back in the range, continuation. That's all that is. It's that simple. Look left, no traffic. I would not take sells, but if this is any other trade, any other pair, this is GJ, I'll take sells. But this is gold, right? I don't really trade gold anymore like that. I miss the good old days though when I used to trade gold, but now it's just, I don't know. Ever since the spread thing happened, I'm out of it.
It's too unpredictable.
It doesn't really interest me. I mean, it's not that it's unpredictable. Like, it makes like the trade still a lot of volume coming in, but I don't know, man. It's just not the same anymore.
Yeah, it's too risky for me.
It's just I'm so used to having like small stops, and gold is just minimum. You're gonna have like a 50 pip stop. I don't want a 50 pip stop, so I can't really trade it. Sometimes, rare occasions, gold might sell for a nice stop loss trade. I'll take it. For example, right here, this would have been the last trade what it took probably. Nice buys here. Stop loss 4 or 5 pips. Buys up to there for a wick fill. That's a 120 pip move, but higher than that, not really interested in much gold opportunities. US 30, what's it doing here? We're gonna range a little bit. What's up, everyone? Everyone's good? Man, this guy's was my favorite pair after GJ, probably. I like this pair. I like GJ kinda. Less volatile, but similar. Euro JPY. I don't know, I love yen pairs, man.
Nice gold cell car, bro.
What's up?
Nice gold cell car.
Thank you, bro. What time did I call that? I think I called it at around.
It wasn't that long ago.
I think it was like up here when hourly kind of closed bearish, or yeah, right here
Yeah.
at like around.
Yeah, it was like in 1940, I think.
Let me check.
It's like,
What time was the Juja sell called? I mean, Juja buy is called at though. I think that was. Oh shit.
Goodbye, go.
Yeah, guys. Gold tapped that target here, as mentioned
nice.
earlier. If you guys took this trade, leave a like on the stream. Pretty simple.
50 pips.
Range, breakout for the buys. Count closed bearish, came back in range. 85% chance of filling it, and 75% chance of continuing down further. Fake out move, right? That's how that is. And now we came down to that support. I'm not saying gold's gonna sell long term. Gold's still bullish, but this move right here was a very nice sell play. So yeah. What time did I call is that? Let me check. I gotta check. I gotta make it a habit for myself to keep putting timestamps.
When you make your signals or like beforehand.
I got GJ buys at 6:47. I think this is a brilliant idea, putting the timestamps. If I can put those timestamps in the link in the description for people who hop on late on stream, that'd be cool too. But
Or how come you don't do it like you used to do your trades?
what's up?
You put the time next to it.
What do you mean?
Like when you going over the analysis for it for what's gonna happen, like just like put it up in the
Oh yeah.
Or timestamps like you did.
15 might close bullish.
What's up?
15 might close bullish on GJ.
15? Oh, you get a new mic or something, bro? You sound clear as shit today.
I'm on my laptop.
Ah, see, there it is when you're on your phone or something. It would sound like crazy.
Sean, what's up, bro?
But finally, yo, you got a clear mic now.
I'm usually at work. That's
Oh,
why it's
yeah. 15 close bullish. And 2 minutes here, yeah. 30 minutes. I'm gonna wait for a 30-minute closure, see what's up. Yeah, once the 30-minute closes bullish, you can enter Bison. I look for that gold timestamp. GG reversing goodbye. Yeah, once the 30-minute closes bullish, you can enter Bison, or if you got it right there. That would have been good buys as well. I think, let's see, closing like a minute here. Oh, 10 seconds here.
Got a better stop loss too.
Yeah, I think stops are 14 pips, not bad for 20 pips. New York Open. Enter a buy here, guys. Buy. $135.4. Yep, enter a buy here, guys. Enter the buy as so if this hourly candle closed bullish, right, and this new hourly candle formed, and the first 30-minute candle closed, or the first 15-minute candle closed bullish, that could tell you that maybe this is a low of the hourly for price to come up. So the hourly shouldn't break this low if it wants to push up. This is my second trade of the day. First trade we caught 10 pips. This is the second trade, risking 13 pips in this trade. So if anything, we're gonna lose 3 pips at the end of the day. But yep, 4 hour broke the highs. Looking good. Like it's gonna come up. Looks like it's gonna come up to that target up there. Other than that, yeah, I'm in the trade right now. I'm gonna use a wash real quick, bro. Hold on. Alright, I'm back. Holy. I think the cells are called I can't even find it, man.
That was quick.
Oh, yeah, guys. Stops have been hit on GG here. This candle, the 15-minute is breaking the lows here. So, meaning that now we're probably going to continue further down here. I entered this trade off the fact that the 1 hour close bullish. So, if the first 15-minute candle closed bullish of the new hourly, that's the hourly low for price to drive up. The New York push, I was expecting us to follow the trend, the pre-New York trend. But if we're breaking the lows here, it's just telling us that we could potentially come back in the range here at 135.266. So yeah. Second trade of the day, I think stops for 13 pips. First trade was 10 pips, so we're down for a day 3 pips, so not bad. But that last trade, there was no like other way I could have reduced my stops. I think, yeah, it was another way I could reduce my stops during that trade. Literally, the 15-minute was a stop loss, and there's nothing else I could have done reduce my stops there, so I had to leave the original stop loss there on that type of trade. Let's see. It has like let's see if GG respects is hourly low. Because if GG respects is low, and it flips back bearish, this could mean that this could be a low for price to drive up. But usually when price breaks a candle on a smaller time frame, it tells you that we could potentially trade further down. Yeah, GPY buys -13. Which I took a trade at I think 8:15. Yeah, this type of trade, guys, there's no other way I could reduce them. Usually I reduce my stops. Basically I enter off the 1 hour 30 minute, I reduce my stops, but on this type of trade, I guess can't really reduce your stops. That was a small stops could have had. Buys are valid still. Not right now though. As long as we respect this level. But once we break below that 1 hour low, you should be seeing a waterfall coming down in GJ. But until then, like, as long as there's support holds, we should be going up. I think what I should have done better in this trade was probably wait for this 30-minute candle to close. But it did break the highs though, so it was either way. I would take this trade either way in a given day. So there's nothing we could have done here. This is just a trade I'll take all the time, and it hit stop loss right now, but in the future it probably won't hit stop loss again. I'll take it again if it does show up again.
Damn. Bro, I was looking for my phone everywhere, bro. That shit disappeared on my ass. It's on my bed the whole time. I was like, I feel like I'm missing something. So I'm like, phone. Digital dash to our room. Don't leave it. Don't leave it.
Don't leave me. GJ stop loss hit. Sir, Anthony, I'm gonna get a question. Sir, why did stop loss hit on GJ?
You're so fucking ass at trading, bro. Like,
you suck, bro. You suck. That's how people really be, though.
This guy stinks.
I took a sell here when you took a buy. I'm in profit.
I'm fucking better than you. You fucking idiot. You can never be me.
Why would you buy here?
Never.
You should have buyed when the equilibrium of the Fibonacci fan hit this area. You little idiot.
Look left, guys. This is a double top on GJ. This double top right here, you don't see it? Why would you buy here? This is an M. We're obviously gonna complete the M. We're gonna come down to this M.
It. Do I have to hop my stream and show you how to trade?
Oh man, so... I gotta make
IG bio. Account management, 100% returns. Oh yeah. Melissa guaranteed. Damn.
Damn, man. Damn, man. Yep. I was kind of expecting like something like this to happen on DJ. Something like this.
Hey, bro, if you can go back in the past and do one trade, what would it be?
This trade. Oh, actually no. Probably something like this.
Any trade.
I draw it out. Oh, those fake pages? Yeah, bro. 100%. Yeah, this trade. This is a trade I'll take. Literally hit stop loss 5 times in a row. I'll still take it again and again and again, bro. This trade of 1,000 times, 900 times plays out. 100%. Here, I'll show you. This trade right here, bro. Oh my days. Alright, let me show you guys something real quick. Alright, so 1 hour time frame looks like this. What would you do? I know your buddy over there sold gold on this channel, Jimmy. Your buddy over there.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this trade, guys, this is hourly time frame, right? Hourly time frame. On a smaller time frame, this is it. Boom. 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 And then, boom. This alone right here is equivalent to this high, this candle closure, that's low. This is the same as this. 4 candles, 15-minute candles equals this 1 hour candle. So if GJ, for example, creates this, this just means that this wick is a range. Why is it a range? Well, from here to here is the range, right? Where is that from on this time frame? Well, that's from here to here. So we made a resistance, now we made support on this bearish candle. So if this is a range, what do you gotta wait for? All you gotta do is enter a buy after this candle closes here, or a nice wick fill. On a small time frame, all it looks is like this. It's breaking those highs, filling that wick, and it's all that's doing here is breaking this high, filling that wick. So if this forms on GJ, let me actually yeah, this forms on GJ. Man, oh man, I'll take this trade 1,000 times. My entry would be right here, entry right there.
Yeah.
Stop loss below there. TP wherever the next resistance is, up there, wherever. This wick fill, I'll close 10%, 50% at. And this trade I'll take 1,000,000 times if I've seen it. This is literally my favorite setup ever. And it happens so many times in the markets. So many times, man. What else is there? So what happens after is, yeah, we get the wick fill, and eventually we tune up further up. That's all that is. Pretty clean though. Yeah, to answer your question, this is a trade I'll take 1,000 times if I see it. I can show you guys examples of it right now, actually. Probably like right, probably right.
Hyper scalper.
I guess right here on gold. This would be an example of it. This candle right here, would have been the entry. Same scenario. If I were to go back, guys, look at it. Remember, this is a scenario. Thing is, this didn't happen on one candle. This is just, it took multiple candles to go up, but still, I always respected this low. This would have been the stop loss anyways. But that low, that low. So you see that candle right here? Boom. This is the same as this candle. And what happened after? We made a range, came up, filled the wick, and yeah, came up after. But this is the exact scenario. This candle, that candle. Pretty clean. Probably my favorite setup. Oh man. Alright. GJ's about to break the 1 hour lows here. Probably gonna push down here. Probably gonna come down to 30-minute closing bearish here. We're probably gonna continue down to 135, 287 here. Am I looking for selves? No, I'm not looking for selves, guys. Because I took 2 trades for a day. 1 break even and 1 10 pips, 1 loss. So it's just whatever. It's kind of like a break even day for me. I might just chill for the rest of the day. And also because it's a Monday, guys, so if you miss anything today, don't worry about it because you still have the rest of the week to catch some moves in. You still have Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Monday was just I guess the market is just turning up today. It's just starting up, and once we get a few cycles into the markets, maybe by tonight during Asian, we could get some pushes, some nice pushes. Depending on just how the daily candle closes here, let's see what happens. Because if the daily candle closes bearish, that could tell you that maybe the weekly time frame, this could be the high for price to drive down this week, coming back down in the range here. So, bro, weren't you just down $500? How are you down another $500 now? Rajput, he's down $1,000 now. Earlier he was down 500. It's rough, bro. I mean, I don't know what your capital is, but I'm guessing that's not a big amount for you. That's probably a small percentage for you, I'm guessing. It should be no more than 3%. So, yeah. If that's like half your account, then you should have an issue with over leveraging, over trading. But if that's just like 3% of your account, then that's just normal. I mean, I'm down like, let's see. I'm down like 500 today, but that's just like less than like 1% of my account. That's like around that's actually around 1% of my account. But you know, because first trade I closed half at 10 pips, and then second trade at 13 pips, around there. With actually no, I'm up from Asian last night. From New York I'm down, yeah, but from Asian I'm still up for a day. Asian session was pretty blessed. Over for a day I'm up, but barely, yeah, and then just up around like break even. Hey, 5%, that's not bad, bro. You're pretty good. That's fine. That's fine. Hey, gold. I think 30 minutes has a nice wick fill. We could potentially come down here and break the support level. Coming down to potentially, coming down to potentially these levels. But you guys see the sells I called earlier on gold? You see how I didn't call tops and bottoms? And I waited for a natural candle to close bearish? This candle right here was the candle. Golden candle. Close bearish, back in the range. What you do after, you take a sell coming down to this range and eventually coming down to the support. But you see how I waited for this candle to close? I didn't actually predict the next bearish candle here. I didn't call tops and bottoms. That's the thing. Calling tops and bottoms is different from calling sells at the top of the range. Like this could be at the top of the range, sure. On as big a time frame, this might look like I call tops and bottoms, but I waited for a candle to close and I entered a trade off of. I saw a trade off of a smaller time frame, showing signs that's gonna come down, and that's what gold did. Came down here. But there's a difference between doing this and calling tops and bottoms. Like literally just saying sells here, stop loss there, and you know, it's different. I'm not gonna call sells coming down to like, you know, 1700, 1811, all the way down to there. I'm gonna call sells to like logical areas, right? So where's the next logical area done? Well, that's gonna be from here, it was there. From there, it was here. Now it's there. Probably 1930 is the next target for gold, probably. After that, it's probably gonna be like, if this support breaks, it's gonna come down further. But until then, this is the target, and you shouldn't be looking for anything ahead of this. You should be looking at the next logical target, and that's it. If you're looking past this, what do you think? You're thinking too far if you're looking past this level. Because how do you know if we're gonna reach the next support if we're not even breaking this support yet? You know, so let's see what happens here. But GG guys, looking at GG guys, it is some type of a fake-o now. You know, resistance is formed, bullish candle closure above the range, this candle closes back in the range. So what do you think is gonna happen? We're probably gonna come down like this. G is probably gonna come down like this, because if this range was created and we broke out a range, now we're coming back in the range, we're probably gonna pop down like this for the filter range, and then eventually break the support, come down to the next support level. So maybe something like this. But we gotta see what happens at this support level. Very crucial. But yeah, we're breaking the 1 hour lows here, so there's no reason for us to go up here at all. If you're still in buys, you'll be in trouble. But yeah, this level is getting broken. We should get a waterfall coming down on GJ to support. Maybe if you break this level here, probably gonna pop down further down to this level. Yeah, so I said how earlier 135, 207 breaks, we're gonna come down to 134, 400 level. So this level breaks and come down. 207, that's right here. But yeah, I see sells, but I'm not gonna take any sells today. That's my day. My day is done here. Yeah, I can see sells as good as it looks. I'm not gonna take it, right? I already took 2 trades for a day. You guys, if you guys want to take 1 trade or whatever, didn't take a trade yet, you guys can take nice sells. Yo, what if you got in yet? But that's just for me. If you guys are enjoying the stream, leave a like. Leave a like for all that knowledge. Ooh, gold pushing down to the next support level. Yep, 9th and 3rd will get tapped here in gold. As expected. We broke that low right there. That would have been your sell entry. Stops would have been right there. TP would have been down here. 50 pip move. Cause yeah, guys, trading is very simple. Yeah, all you gotta do is break your trades to ranges. So for example, that's all I did here on gold today. All the sells are all called from ranges. So you have this range. That's the first range, right? That's like the top range. That's like the top of the pyramid. So that will determine a reversal. We close bearish here, cool. Next range, where we're gonna go? We're coming back in the next range. It's gonna be right here. Look left, the support down there. Coming down to there. But since this is a fake out, it has a high chance of breaking the support. Coming down to the next support. So where's that gonna be? It's gonna be right here, right here. Next level. So if you break this support, where do you think it's gonna go? Down to this level. That's all that it is. This range from range to range to range. All you gotta do is break your trading to ranges, and it's gonna be very simple. It's gonna be very clean and simple. That's all you gotta do. But once you start like removing ranges and putting non-logical targets, that's when you're gonna have some issues, because then when you do that, all you're doing is you're predicting the future when it doesn't really make sense on like the charts. You know what I mean? Like I wouldn't enter a sell here. If I were to enter a sell here, I wouldn't put my TP down here. Wouldn't make any sense because you have all these levels here of support, right? I will have a runner maybe to down here with stops at entry. I could attempt something if I see something, but I wouldn't really like put my initial target down to there. I put my target maybe here, maybe here, maybe here. But once you start doing this, one, it can mean that maybe you're just chasing a trade. So what people usually do is that when they lose money or when they took some losses in a day, they put their TP at high TP levels for nice pips so they can catch a nice move just because they're down for a day. So they might put it at some next TP level, some next resistance, some next support, just so they can feel better for themselves that they'll have a bigger pip move on a trade when a trade doesn't make sense itself, right? Just so they can cash the pips back that they lost from earlier. That's something that a lot of traders do. I used to do that as well. Like some trades, I'll take like a 10 pip move. There's some trades I'll have my TP for like a nice 100 pips. Like in the past, right? I have my TP for 100 pips just because I feel like if I put the bigger I put my TP, the more money I'll make. But it doesn't make any sense. That's what I'm saying. Risk to reward doesn't make any sense, guys. I mean, if you have like a 10 and 1 risk to reward, doesn't mean you're gonna be more profitable than if you have a 1-to-1 risk to reward. If the trade doesn't make any sense, the trade's not gonna go through right away.
I still can't believe dude was like
What's up?
1-to-1 wasn't profitable.
Yo, I to this day I don't understand it. I really don't understand it,
The
bro.
logic does not kick in with that guy.
It still doesn't make sense to me, bro. Literally does
So-
not make sense to
So
me.
you're telling me you're more at risk for securing 10 pips, move to entry, and letting a trade ride than actually, you know what? I'm gonna let him rock. I'm gonna let him rock.
Guys, so for example, he's already said. I put into a different, like here. I'll show you guys. He said if you have this to this, 1-to-1, 1-to-2, 1-to-3, this trade doesn't have a high probability of playing out. But apparently, the bigger you put your TP, if you put it down here, 1-to-100, buddy, over here, you put it like this, apparently it has a higher chance of playing out. Higher chance of playing out, not more, you'll make more, but higher chance of playing out. And he sent me an Instagram chart showing me that this trade has a 7% chance of playing out when this trade has a 20% chance of playing out. I'm mind blown. It doesn't make any sense.
The logic doesn't kick in. This man's on crack.
You know that meme? Sometimes I wonder what's going on in their heads. You know that meme?
Yeah.
Dun 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 dun. What's that TikTok again? Don't you ever wonder what's going on in their heads? Hold on, I'll show you. I wonder. It's like this.
Wonder what is going on inside their head.
It's like this, bro. It's like I almost wonder what's going on inside their heads. Like when he told me that, like.
Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
It's like I don't know, bro. Oh my god.
For everyone that went short on gold during the whole bullish movement.
I mean, it's fine shorting, right, in these situations, but the issue is when like they put, you know, crazy shit. 1811 TP. Damn, bro. You know, like that's just nuts, bro. I mean, gold obviously is gonna consolidate. It can't like on a weekly, daily
Every
time
pair
frame.
will consolidate.
It can't just keep going up, obviously, right? It can't just go like boom, 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 boom. We obviously have to reach some type of resistance level. Maybe it's here. Who knows? Maybe it's here, and we can come down to maybe the support level. We can come down like this in the range. You know, close bearish, boom, 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 range. After all of a sudden we have a bullish candle closure, boom at support, boom, 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 back up to retest the highs and eventually break the highs. And this is next gold move. But you can't just predict like something like this, boom, 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 boom. It's not gonna work like that. It's gonna do something like this probably. Resistance, support, make a range. At the bottom of the range, you can enter buys on a smaller time frame. Coming up, boom, 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 going up to whatever target. But until this happens, like you know, you can't just keep. Obviously, you can't just keep buying. Like for example, gold here, guys. What happened here? You know, gold came up, boom, 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 consolidate, boom, 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 range, boom, 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 back up to retest the highs. Same thing back then. Let's say it was around these levels. Damn, gold's at 1400 at one point. That's crazy. You know, remember when it goes at 1400, everyone's calling sells. 1500 calling sells. 1600 calling sells. 1700 calling sells. Same. You guys did not miss the move, man. Don't worry. If you guys missed this big gold move, you'll catch it later on. You'll catch it one day. Maybe in the next gold run. Maybe up to like the only issue you have now is that the only issue you have now is that you don't have that much like TP target. Like gold can go up to wherever it wants to go now. You don't know where the next TP resistance is for the weekly, so it might be a little harder to catch gold buys. But there's still gonna be another gold push, man. Another gold rush move. Don't worry. Do not stress. Same with GJ. People think buys are done for GJ. You know, you can come down this week, but you know, overall, man, like we're gonna push up eventually. GJ is bullish for me over long term overall. I'm expecting eventually 145 to get hit again, 140 to get hit again.
It's only Monday.
Yeah, it's like, you know, like might not be this week obviously, 144, maybe like this year, sometime this year, but maybe in a couple months. But this level will eventually get tapped again. It's long term bullish, right? So when GJ taps up to this target and you're like, fuck, I missed the whole entire move, then that's when you could be a little pissed about yourself. But other than that, like you have all this range here to catch a move, and GJ is not gonna reverse off of one candle on a round time frame. It's gonna take multiple days, weeks, months to actually reverse the whole trend. GJ is still bullish here. Look, it's still bullish here. You know, still going up here. So you have all this time to catch buys in. You gotta be patient. You gotta wait and be patient, because the moment you start be impatient, right? For example, you know, when it comes to like
training, all that practice goes out the window.
Yeah, exactly. For example, people can have like break-even days, break-even months, break-even weeks, and eventually they'll get impatient, and that's when they start to blow their account. Because when you're at a point where you're having break-even weeks, like consistently, like take 2 trades per day, break-even, and you're up enter break-even, up loss, whatever, and it's breaking for the week, you're at a good point, because at that point you're showing signs that you're very disciplined, and you can control your bankroll to not go negative in a day, right? But at the point where you start getting impatient with that, you're like, fuck, man, I'll keep breaking even for a day, and you start to like take random trades so you can up ahead of that account. That's when you're gonna start losing money, bro, and that's when you're gonna blow your account. So if you're breaking it for a day, don't worry about it. Just keep doing the same thing you do every day, and eventually it'll pay off. You know,
You gotta break even to end with an L day.
yeah, even if you have a break-even month, bro, like that's good, bro. That's progress. Like how you were blowing accounts before that break-even month, guarantee.
You're not losing money.
Yeah, like you're doing good, bro. Just keep doing. Because what you gotta learn is you're gonna start taking the trades that play out often, and you're gonna start taking trades that don't play out, and you're gonna start finding your own playbook, your own play style. What's gonna work for you? What doesn't work for you? And you know, I start connecting those dots. Everything's gonna eventually play out. So you really gotta be patient with it. Think about it, bro. You're like young, 20, 25. You're not like 90 over here, you know. I don't think anyone watches 90 over here. Off of the YouTube stats, I don't think anyone's 90 here. But yeah, like you're still young, bro. You got all those years. Fucking Uncle Ted over here making like 6-figure days, and he's like 40, bro. So you have all that time.
I've been doing this for a minute.
Like if you've been training for a year and losing money, it's fine, bro. It's fine. It's only been a year. Think about it. It's only been a year. You go to university for 4 years. You're not gonna get a job on the first year. You're not even done your degree yet. You finish your 4th year and you start looking for your job, right? But same thing for trading, bro. You're not gonna find your career or your goal to wherever it is, your profit year in the first year. It's gonna take you a couple years, couple months maybe, couple days. Who knows? Depends on some of you guys. You guys might have that little genius in your head, in your brain, but you know, just telling you guys that it doesn't take a day or two. It takes time, bro. If you lost, it doesn't matter how much you lost, bro. It doesn't matter how much you've gained at all. This is whatever you do now does not matter in the future. When it comes to trading, you can have a $10 day today. You can have $1,000 in the future. You can have a $5 loss, a $20,000 loss today. You can have a $5 million win in the future. Who knows? But whatever you do today does not matter. So don't chase whatever you do now because it's not hurt you in the long run. Think about the long term. And that's that, bro. That's that. You know, I took the sells, I took buys, and then I took another buy. You know, I took a 3-pip loss today. I'm good for the day. I'm perfectly fine for the day because for the month, for the year, I'm still up. You know, for the week, I'm still around break even. I'm still up a little bit, right? Think about it. You have more days tomorrow to trade. If I take another loss tomorrow, I'm okay with that. I'm still up for the year. Another loss the day after, I'm okay. Cause I know eventually, if I keep taking the same trades, I'll eventually finish my year off bullish. So, yeah. There you guys have it.
Yeah, stick to your system.
Mm-hmm.
Stick to your system. All right, I'm gonna hop off and go work out.
All right, bro. Catch you later.
Peace. Peace.
Look at this, guys. Sheriff Ali here. Has the course. Took sells. 14 pips. Boom. Nice sells there, bro. I don't know where you got in, but I'm guessing it was like around here. Oh no,
Yeah,
that's gold.
just around there.
That's
just
gold.
around
That's
there,
not
Tom.
around there. Where was it? It was around
Above, slightly high.
here.
Yeah, just right at the top there.
Yeah. Yep. Nice sells there. But hey, go GJ. We'll close bullish back in the range here. Yo, Jimmy.
What's up?
That TikTok whatever is fire, bro.
What's up? Me, bro.
The guy down. That's you, bro. That's me when I hit TP.
Nah, bro, that's me when that fucking deposit hit.
That's probably I think that was fire, bro.
That boy smooth as hell.
Literally Jimmy though, real for shit.
Good lad.
Yo, you long hair? 100%. That boy is hurt.
That boy going through it.
If I had one wish. Fire. Straight fire. Yeah, I think once third man closer, you can answer nice buys there. Probably not gonna answer buys though. Gonna watch it play out. Yeah, still bullish for a day. Oh man, US30. Gold coming down here. US30, he's looking ugly today, bro. Breaking the lows now though. He should be coming down as well. Let's see. Yeah, I think US30 guys. US30 doesn't really move like pre-market. like GJ and gold does. It usually moves like stock open. So 9:30. That's when it usually moves. Or 9. Sorry. 9. That's when US30 usually makes the big move. 9, 10 o'clock is a huge move. It's different from GJ and gold. GJ moves pre-market because you have London overlap, but US30 is just based off of the NY Open, so it doesn't really matter. But the pre-NY doesn't really matter.
Basics of successful online trading. The best profession in the world.
Yo, what are you doing here? Those ads, yes. You guys hear this?
I will spend half an hour walking you through my journey in the hopes of teaching you some of the most important strategies and lessons.
Bro, this man, I remember one of the ads was like, I'm gonna show you the most 3 profitable patterns in trading that you'll ever need. Bro, double top, double bottom, head and shoulders. That's all I saw, bro. I'm like, hello?
You can get this if you purchase my course.
And
You know,
he said,
and that's how they teach.
A 2-hour video of me breaking down these 3 strategies. I'm like, bro, you only need about 15 minutes to break down all them shits, bro. Like, why?
Guys, I'm gonna do a face cam soon on the streams. Be prepared. About to take over. You gotta see all the live reactions. Sees me crying. Someone has been hit. Yeah. Bro, trust me, I'm all smiles, bro. Stop loss for TP, I'm all smiles.
Stop loss, TP, gnarly ways always. Sure. Gnarly.
If I had one wish.
Bro, my man's fun then, bro. I'm gonna have to recreate that. Like a lie.
Dun 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 dun. This is like a fake out here. Guys, look at GJ.
Breakout to go up?
Yeah, to go up. Resistance, support, coming back into range now. So, same thing for gold. Just opposite. Same thing right here. Fake out. Up to go down. Same thing here. Down to go up. So if this 30-minute closes there in the range here, I'm gonna look for potential buys here. This is the target. 135, 835, New York Open, NY Open. I don't know, I'm pretty bullish here. 1 hour's gonna close bear, so it's gonna have nice buy stops above that range. Looks good though. Yeah, let's get take off your seatbelts. We're approaching landing here. On gold. 1930. About to get tapped there. Hey, Jimmy, you took any trades today? You took GG buys or anything? Or just that one gold trade?
Gold. That's it.
You had a runner, right? That wasn't your full position?
I just closed both of them once I seen like candles breaking hella hard.
Still like 50 plus pips though, no?
Yeah, somewhat. Something like that.
Yeah, you fine. If I yo, how many ads are on this page? Ad blocks. 8,000 ads on this page. Wait, yo, if you have the free TradingView app and you put ad block on, does it block the ads? Hold on. Who has a free TradingView here?
Me?
Yo, put ad block on. Does it block
Yeah,
those ads at
it
the
does.
bottom?
It does.
That pop up right here?
Yeah.
Whoa. Really?
Yeah.
'Cause I can just use that.
You've been finessed.
I've been finessed, bro. I mean, I pay for this so I can use this. Where is it? Psych! I ain't use this, bro. This is just useless to me. I mean, why I gotta look at 2 pairs at once, you know? Make any sense.
Bro really told me you have to have TradingView Plus to be a profitable trader. What? Shit make no sense to me.
Use my link.
Use the link. Get a discount. Bro, this is a 30-day free trial, bro. Not gonna lie.
Yeah, it is too crazy, bro. I can't look at that. I can't do that once. Too many charts. I have no ads on mine. You have a paid version. I have no ads as well, but I have the paid version. If you have the free one, I think you have bare ads. That's why I got the paid one, because the ads are annoying, man. Those pop-ups, very annoying.
No, like they
Dude, they took it
just
out?
give you like hella warnings and shit.
Yeah, it's like, do you wanna, it's like,
Yeah.
not for this broker, this and that. But you don't have it anymore, you said, with ad blocker?
No,
Damn,
no.
that's crazy. I'm gonna have to test it out. What I'm gonna do after is I'm gonna hop on this guy's stream and start watching this guy's stream.
You beast though. You moonstar.
Hey guys, if you guys enjoyed that intro earlier, if you guys enjoyed the stream so far, leave a like. If you guys missed the intro, guys, this is it. By
Damn, miss. You got one.
Yo, I actually got so pumped this morning, bro. Like I felt LeBron James walking through the tunnel, bro. Dun, dun, dun. I thought I was gonna, shoot some, walk through that little NBA tunnel.
This man was ready to hit the game winner.
LeBron James. Starting at
Small
position.
forward
Starting at small forward.
for the Los Angeles
Akron.
Lakers. LeBron.
From Ohio, Akron, Ohio. What was it? Ohio. Akron. Where's he from again?
Cleveland, Ohio, bro.
Cleveland from No, yeah, the city though.
Yeah, Cleveland, Ohio.
Yeah, Cleveland, Ohio. Yeah, from Cleveland, Ohio.
This man,
Oh, yeah,
Don was
small
finna walk
forward.
into the stream and throw powder in the air. Ain't gonna lie, boy. Ain't gonna lie, boy. Sounds like
Starting
throwing
at
powder.
center position.
Ain't gonna lie.
Miami Heat LeBron was literally the best LeBron of all time. That was GOAT LeBron.
The Cleveland Cavaliers championship one was a whole different story, bro. Yeah, I have my ad block on. It's no ads, bro. No, not at all. You've been finessed, yeah. Good sir. Yeah.
From Boston, Massachusetts, John Cena. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do.
Right.
Do 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 do. My time is 80 pip move. Oh, a nice 60 pip move called earlier on gold. Very nice. Very, very nice.
Bro, when this candle flips, it's gonna be a whole different story.
Yeah. I guess right now, like earlier, I called sells, guys. On gold. From this target for those new viewers, I called gold sells off the fact that we had a fake out. We had a range Price broke out of range, came back into range, filled it, and continued on further. That was a nice 60 pip move. But if you're looking at gold now, this support is being held. So if this support is being held and we break this high here, we could potentially come back into range here, up to like 1940, and eventually can go up here. But we're gonna need to kind of break the highs here and eventually come up. I'm not taking any buys. Kind of done for a day. GG buys do look nice. Once it flips bullish here, so I think you have buys above these levels here. Once this 30-minute candle flips bullish here, you have nice buys. Stops would be below. Stops would be like 8 pips. TP would be like potentially 135, 835. Coming up in the range here. What up, boy? Back in here again. What's up, bro? Bro, I'm gonna have an outro for the stream soon, bro.
Yeah, outro.
I need an outro. It's gonna be similar to this one, but a little different.
What song is it?
I don't know, bro. It's so fire. When the beat drops, it's so fire.
Damn, miss. You got one.
I think it was like a Uzi, like type beat or something. Like Juice WRLD Uzi or something. Like it builds so much hype, bro. Like I don't know, man. Different vibe. So heat, bro. Like at first I want to use a Cardi beat, right? But Cardi beats are kind of like, yeah.
Too noticeable.
Yeah, it's kind of too subtle. Way too subtle, too like, you know. But then
You need like a.
I searched up like I think it was like it was low keyed and Uzi type beat.
You need like Astro World, the second part of it, the intro.
Nah, you know what I need? I need a trophies beat. I need something like that, bro. The ending.
This is what you could tell the producer. Make this shit sound like this.
Yeah. Hell yeah, bro. If you guys know how to make those beats, bro, let me know, bro. I need a beat like this, bro. I need. Yeah, like that. Like this part hits. That part hits. That part is fire, bro.
Why every time you play the music, GJ flips?
Alright. I'm gonna get copyrighted. Is that you're tricking me here? Yeah, looking at GJ buys. I'm kind of done for it though. I'm not really gonna look for buys myself. Yes, I'm not looking for buys though, because if we're rejecting off of these levels here, and all we need now is just a breakout this high here, because above here, this already kind of closed bearish, right? So if you do break the highs here, you could potentially look on the left. There's no traffic coming up to this target at 135, 835 here. So you give a buy stop here. Your stop loss will have to be this candle low though. Might be a little bigger, but has a very high chance of playing out. Because we made a resistance, right? And now we made a support. So if this support gets held and we're breaking this high, it shows that we're going to push further up here. So this is like a nice like minimum like I think 20 pip move here, so you can easily cash this today if you missed the buys earlier. But if you break the 1 hour low, 30-minute low here, we're probably gonna push further down and continue the rest of the day coming down here. So it might be, you know, check gold. Yeah, gold is going up here. Like I just said, guys. If you guys didn't hear, a few minutes ago, mentioned gold buys has broke these highs here, coming back up to tap this resistance here. You might not see me putting out my chart like buys and sells because I'm not really trading gold, but I mentioned gold buys as we break this high here because the support is being held here. So if we're breaking these highs here, it means that this support is gonna we're gonna support this level to come up to potentially the next target, which is at these levels here. And if we do break this resistance here, up here on gold, if we break this level, we're gonna pop further up to this level and eventually this level. But first, we have to break these levels. But this target is very achievable at 1939. Very, very achievable. Yeah, if you guys just joined in, you guys took those gold buys, leave a like on the stream. I think we had buys here. It's like a nice 20 pip move here.
On the fly.
Hence potential 4 pip move on gold here. But see how it's so easy, guys? It's not easy, but you see how it's so simple? All you gotta do is break out your stuff in zones. Like sells from here to here, down to there, and then eventually down to here. Support, looking left, wherever you see areas of like struggle, resistance, it means that's a place where that's where you should put your TPs at. For example, if I was to sell here, the TP would be down here at the support because looking left there's a lot of traffic, right? Same thing for buys. If you take buys here, TP would be up here at this resistance because that's where you have a lot of traffic at. That's your price will struggle to break. So why would you want to predict the next struggle where you can just get out at this current struggle? That's how you gotta think about trading. Why'd you want to predict the next struggle up here when you can just get out at this struggle right here in peace without struggling, without going through that struggle?
Ninja walked so Symphony can run.
Look at that boy. 40 years.
40 years.
Where's that from?
Possible song.
But where's it from originally?
A movie.
40 years. Yo, if I get copyright for that trophies part, I swear to God, bro, I'm done.
Bro, these retraces on GJ, what the fuck is going on here, boys? This shit,
Ooh.
Yeah, I see. Like a resistance on the left right there.
I'm about to make an outro right now, real quick.
I'm gonna go to a garage band and cook something up. Glad. Where I remember back then, I used to want to be a producer. Bro, hilarious. Where my first beat was on FL Studio. Shit sound that trash beat. Bruh, that shit was hilarious.
Hold on, guys. I got you guys. I'm about to make an outro.
Beat for real.
Ooh, 15-minute for gold close bullish here. Nice. So, yeah. You can see that whenever you have this right here, this little push right here. Look at these two candles here. If you have a low that's being created, and if this candle breaks this high, bearish candle high, what does it tell you about this low? This low means that this is support, and this is the current candle low for price to go up. So if you were to enter a buy stops here where we mentioned, buy stops there, TP up here, stops would have been down here at the support. Because that's the support, right? You don't need to put your stop loss down here or wherever. It just needs to be, you're trying to reduce your risk, right? Keep your losses small. So this would be the most minimalist stops you can get on these buys there. But now if you're thinking long term, you can have a runner probably on this type of trade, coming up to like these targets. Like I only have runners coming up to like specific areas when like on a high time frame showing me bullish momentum, right? For example, if I see gold going up today, like very to a next like high like next resistance level, I'll put my TP up there for the runner, and that's how. I wouldn't put my initial like full position. I wouldn't wait for my full position to hit that target to close it. I'll obviously close at 10 pips and leave a runner, you know, coming up. But yeah, what the hell is this,
bro?
I don't want that. What the hell is that, boy?
Shit, Gabaggio, bro. Tell your producer you need a refund.
Yo, I got this one. Hey, yo, Jimmy, I need a refund.
I ain't produced.
Oh man.
I produce Hot by Little Baby and Gunna, bro.
Do
that type.
Yep.
Trash ass shit.
It makes sense.
I made that beat.
I'm just going to the Monday teachers today. See Asian. Yeah, bro. See you during the Asian session. Alright, hold on. I'm staying in the chat. I'm staying in this call until I finish this outro because I'm at it. Monday usually a bad day for trading. That's my jam. Whatever that just played was terrible, bro. Yeah, Chichibai looks very clean here. Could also see, kind of picture it like this. See how it was created here? How it was created, came back down, rejected, made a range. Coming back up to retest the highs, gonna break the highs the second time around, coming up to this target. It's that simple, guys. Especially if it breaks the 1 hour high, that'd be even lovely. Do you guys trade NZD CAD? Because I think it's about to shoot upwards. No, I don't trade. I hate NZD pairs, bro. I don't know why. It's just so slow for me. Yeah, this is gonna push up here though. When I was breaking the highs, you can see us probably popping up to you can see this pair popping up to maybe these levels here. 4-hour highs. So probably like a nice, you can get a nice like if you had buy stops there, nice like 10 pip move here, and stops would have been like 5 pips. Would have been clean. Daytime frame looking bullish as well. If you close bullish today on the daytime frame, you can say that we're gonna pop for up. So maybe these targets tomorrow around these levels, looking left. But I think today's target it could easily be 89488 on NZD CAD. Looking at it. Where are you from? I'm from Toronto, Ontario, bro.
Dang, bro.
Everything lit yellow when it's hot. 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 "40 years.
40 years.
I'm about to edit this video real quick. Add to my outro.
But if someone snitched on me for 40 years, oh man, shit would be the worst.
Wait, so what happened? So someone snitched on him and he got locked up for 40 years?
Yeah, like even if it's false, and like it's like this: if someone has a case on you, right,
Uh-huh.
and like in the room, the interrogation room, they gonna say like some big numbers and whatnot, right, to intimidate you.
Uh-huh.
And bro, it'd be like I've been hearing like a lot of stories where people like literally snitch on their own people for that much years. But the thing is, like the cops fake you out and make you snitch, but you still serve the time because they gonna like say the same shit, like lie to you basically. It should be happening a lot.
Damn.
Yeah, bro, shit crazy out here. The streets is not for me. I'm a suburban dude. Suburban man. Shut.
Damn.
That shit do be funny though. People be like, "You live in the suburbs, right?" I'm like, "Yep. I don't claim the streets or nothing. Just suburbs guy. Love my suburban community." We got people that pick up the trash for us, cut the grass for us, all that combined.
I only trade because of the spread, but I thought to shout out about it for everyone who's interested. Yeah, I don't know. SD cat's too slow for me, man. Way too slow.
I wonder what's the fastest pair.
Fastest pair?
Yeah.
US30 gold. Or those binary pairs. VIX, Vitality,
Six,
whatever it
seven,
is.
five. Oh my god.
Like,
yeah.
what is
It's this
that,
shit
bro?
called crash and, bro, it's this shit called crash and boom. The most scariest shit you'll see.
What is it?
1,000 pip movements back to back.
What pair?
And it's called crash and boom. Like crash, you predict like it's gonna sell. Boom, you like it's basically those two are like you're predicting. You have to predict tops and bottoms perfectly, or you lose out hella money because it'd be moving like 1,000 pip increments and shit. Shit crazy as fuck, bro. Shit my pants looking at that shit, bro.
Damn, that shit sound crazy, bro.
A VIX 75, you just follow the trend basically, and it's easy money, bro. But you could put like .001s and then .002.
Damn.
Yeah. I'm like, damn. And people be banking, bro. When it's like news and whatnot. Because VIX is like all the end of season 1.
Yeah, I don't know, bro. I can't.
Yeah.
Wait, it's binary, no?
Binary is like not legal in the States and shit.
Unless you got a VPN.
Yeah. I mean, yeah, once you make that 5K BTC, you better have that country ID ready, bro.
Wait, you can put in BTC though. It's fine though, right?
No. Once it's above
Oh.
5K, then you gotta provide the country that you sign up for ID. Yeah, like Brian. He said, "Stay away." Hell yeah, stay away. We don't like that.
Alright, guys, I got the video.
Alright.
I'm gonna put in Premiere Pro real quick. I'm gonna loop it up. Put some songs on it real quick. I got this. It's about to be heater. Outro.
You're right. In 3, 2, 1. There you go.
Alright. Let me go to new project. Live stream outro. Browse it in documents, Forex. Nope, wrong one. Live stream highlights. Yeah, sure. Select folder, sure. Okay. Alright, watch this. Import. Open. Put this video up. I gotta loop it up. So, copy.
The strangers are out of my house. I'm lit again.
Now I need a song. Import the song. Yeah, it's a thing song. What song is this though? Hold on, let me play a song. Is this song fire too, guys? Let me know what song you guys want. This beat. I'm very limited, right? So this is all I got. How's the song sound, Jimmy?
I like it.
If it ain't BTO, fuck what you heard.
I like it.
It's too slow, bro. I don't know.
Oh, I like it.
The outro, yeah, I think that's better for the outro.
Non-vote on a motherfucking beat. If
Alright.
you want to get to trend, did you guys got beat too?
Oh,
Oh,
okay.
Look
Got him. 40 years.
40 years.
Alright, guys, I got you. Let me save this.
How long
Let
did
me.
it take you to get profitable? There you go.
40 years.
40 years.
I'm gonna make a meme. I think that's a meme. Pretty sure I think that's a meme. Alright. Export it. It's about to be lit, guys.
40 years.
I need a new intro though.
Life is short. Become profitable quick. Look at that.
Get rich quick. My life real quick.
I got something that'll change your life.
Hey guys, what's your horoscope? Oh, you're a scalper.
Oh god.
That's funny, man. I can't believe like
when
the course
bruh,
is like,
look,
what's
I
your
was like,
horoscope?
Look, when I first watched that, I'm like, oh, this shit fine. I ain't never see this. No one did this shit before. Then like I kept watching like the whole thing. I'm like, yo, I could dead ass learn this shit off of like YouTube.
Oh my god, US 30 on my screen just popped down. Like literally just boom. That was so quick, bro.
Damn, that bitch shit is so.
God damn. Yeah. I think US 30 is gonna head down towards this target, guys, as mentioned. Day target is obviously, where is it? Where's day target? Day target for me for US 30 is gonna be down here at the support. But next target, why does it keep? Yeah, next target looking like it's gonna be next logical target for that target is gonna be around these levels here for US 30. 264, 138, 264, 13. Alright, I got the outro, guys. Let me add it to my media source. OBS. Okay. Files, documents. Oh. Mm.
If it ain't BTO, fuck.
Alright, cool. We got it. Alright, guys. I've been training for 40 years. Wanna fight me with these tears? Wanna fight me? Fight these tears. It's funny.
Dang, 3-hour stream. My goodness.
Oh, really? I think the longest one was like 3 something, 4 hours, bro.
Jeez.
You guys weren't there. You guys dipped early, but I think it was pretty lit.
I had to go to work. I think I had to know that day.
Yeah, I think. Yeah. But hey, guys. Really not much I'm gonna look for today. I think. I don't know. It's kind of just. I think buys for GG, guys. If you're looking for buys from GG, I think buys for GG would be good above these levels there. Looking left, above there, your nice buys, and so until then, I think you guys can just stay out. Get a nice breakout above this range. Go up further. You have a nice 25 pip move here, so just be patient and wait for a breakout of that range. But so I think this is just a range you're gonna stay in. If anything, we're gonna come back in a range down here at 135 to 87. But this is like a huge range right now between this area. I'll say this is tradable here. So in this range, guys, this is not tradable. Not tradable. I'll say what's tradable is below here. Above here is tradable, and below here is tradable. If you break above, we're gonna come up to 135.835. But if you break below the support, we're potentially gonna come down to like this level, 134.431. So that's the next target if you break that low. Yeah, guys. I think gold is 4 hour for gold close bearish, right? So let's see what happens here. 4 hour close bearish. I think if gold breaks here's my analysis for gold. If gold breaks, what is that? WTICOUSD. I don't know what that is, bro. I think okay. So if gold breaks this level,
WTI USD. That's oil.
That's crude oil, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, guys. If gold breaks this low at right here, 130. I think that's 1931.258. If you break that low, we're gonna pop further down. But as long as this low gets respected here, you should be coming up to this target at 1939. So let's see what's happening here. But yeah, other than that, I think US 30 is gonna continue down here as well, come down to the support level, and then eventually the day target, which is gonna be down here at 26127. But other than that, guys, I think I'm gonna hop off here. I appreciate everyone for coming to the stream. Hopefully you have a great day today, and don't overtrade, and catch you guys later. Peace. Let me just outro. Alright guys, peace.
If it ain't BTO, fuck what you heard.